every day. What can I do to make you mine? Just look my way, I see you try to be cool, but it's not you. I'm the one that you want. So try me, babe. Watching from afar, wishing upon a star. If you could only see what I see.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Megan, and we are on a journey to give my youngest daughter a bedroom makeover. Over the last 3 videos, 2 weeks now, I've been transitioning her room from almost like a jungle type of theme or aesthetic that she had since she's been a toddler. It's been like 3 or 4 years now that her room has remained the same, to a viral dopamine decor aesthetic that she recently discovered through watching Car and Joy on TikTok with me. I took you guys along with me. We started with her closet. I did like a semi-custom budget-friendly closet space or system in there so that we could minimize the amount of toys that she was keeping in her main bedroom space and just free up the room to be able to really do this. And then also through the bedroom makeover prep, finding the actual pieces like the bedding, textiles, the Dopamine Decor, and I had some amazing finds in that, as well as prepping. We had to take down some peel and stick wallpaper, do some drywall repairs, and then in the last video I hand painted a mural on the top of this wall right here. But today we're hopefully working on the final part of it. So I do need to start with some painting. I chose the color Angelic Blue. I hope you can see that right there. This is the paint swatch of the Angelic Blue. And I'm going to be painting the lower half of her wall that already had wainscoting in this Angelic Blue color. And then we have some new furniture to bring into this space, new bedding like I was saying, and just kind of giving this a little bit of an upgrade to hopefully last her throughout her entire elementary years. And I guess I should show you guys, this is our starting point, the empty-ish room. This is all we've got going for the new aesthetic so far, so let's transform the rest of this space.
What you wanna say to me? I just want you to leave so I can get you off my mind. We just weren't meant to be. I'm glad you set me free. and now I'm leaving you behind. 'Cause I'll be okay, 'cause I will be great. I'll move on, I'll be just fine, I'll be just fine. I will let go, till my broken heart is beating. So tonight I will believe it, and I got this crazy feeling that someday I'll be okay.
So I have all of the walls and also the window trim painted now, and I feel like it's making the original wall color look very peachy toned, and I'm not sure how to feel about it. But I do really love the blue, and I love the way that it looks with the pink and purple wall mural. I think that it's so pretty and angelic. I can totally understand why it's called angelic blue. And just a reminder, when you're painting walls, you should paint your outlet switch covers the same color. It takes like 2 seconds and it makes a huge difference. It looks so much better, in my opinion, to do that. So if you've got a painting project coming up, don't forget that while your switch plate covers are off, just go ahead and give those a fresh coat of paint as well. Unfortunately, I still have not found the perfect rug for this space. I wanted to make sure to find something really fun that also works well with the color palette and the other elements we have going on, and so I kind of decided I need to just see everything together before I can know exactly what I'm looking for, because I don't want to have this fun, colorful, eclectic room and a basic neutral rug, but I also don't want to order something that can be pretty pricey and then have it not work out and just keep going through that cycle. So I'm going to pull the rest of the room together before ordering a rug, but I have already ordered the perfect bed frame. So I had 2 requests for, well, I guess technically 3 requests for her bedroom. She wanted something fun in the Dopamine Decor style. She wanted curtains and an upholstered bed frame. And so that's what's in this box.
Right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink, 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. I'm not usually the one who acts out. All those crazy little things we all kind of dream about. A good thing we are running out of sunlight. It's not necessary for these guys to know all about. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink, 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. Did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on a show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish.
So So something that I know Sawyer has been wanting for quite a while is her own desk space, and she really wanted one throughout kindergarten, and we just didn't have space in her room with the layout that we had in here before. So I could never introduce one. But now that we did declutter her vanity and the shelves that we had on either side of this window, I feel like we do have this space. I'm either going to do it right here by this window or right next to her door when you walk in. I'll put it together and then see how much space it requires. But I got her this small desk. We're going to use it to double as a desk space for elementary school work and a vanity when she likes to play with her makeup. And I think she's just going to be over the moon about it. And I'm hoping, after all of the furniture that I have assembled over the last couple of days, that this is quick, easy, and straightforward.
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. My heart is beating. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Not used to do this, it ain't my style. It ain't my style. You see right through me, I don't wanna hide. No, I don't wanna hide. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Give it up, give it up, give it up.
Thank goodness that desk was pretty straightforward and easy to put together, because I am over it with assembling furniture and happy that that was the last piece that I needed to put together, hopefully for a while. I don't want to do any more projects where I have to put furniture together for quite some time, but now I get to move on to more decorative pretty things. And I wanted to start with these donuts that I had found a couple of videos back when I did the bedroom makeover prep. They are wall hanging pieces of decor. They do have like this little spot here, but a lot of them are kind of like knocked out of place, and I just don't want to risk them falling off the wall or putting holes in the wall and then not being able to catch on to that anyway. So I'm going to use command strips, and I have a really fun idea for these. When I painted this little squiggle mural, I had talked about how my inspiration was a roller coaster, and specifically a Disney roller coaster, because we are Disney fanatics, we're a Disney family, and both of the girls are just obsessed with roller coasters. They love them so much. And so I thought it would be really fun to put some larger waves, which is why I have these two in here, and then add these donuts as like the little roller coaster cars or people on it. I do have 5 of them here, and one of them is a hidden Mickey, which is so cute. One of Sawyer's favorite things to do is find hidden Mickeys, not just in Disney, but like all over the place. If she sees something with 3 circles in this similar shape, she's like, oh, a hidden Mickey, a hidden Mickey. And she's actually really good at it. So I think this will be a fun part of her personality incorporated into her decor, and also something that she's just going to love having up on her wall. But anyway, I'm gonna get some command strips on here and see if I can position them over this like middle hump here.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder. And the clouds are closing in. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener.
Try to tell me that is not the cutest thing you've ever seen. But moving on to this wall, I am going to remove all of these cork boards. I'm going to end up moving this one. I just haven't decided where yet. And we've got some shelves to put up here to display all of Sawyer's Disney Legos.
I turn my head and hold it high, but it's making me shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river, growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Paint by number isn't how I want it to. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than
Okay, we're coming down to the wire. It's the end of the day, and I absolutely love how this turned out. It is so Sawyer, very Dopamine Decor, and I cannot wait to show her. I think she's going to love it. I do still need to get her a desk organizer, although I did get these notebooks and some fun pens for her in the meantime. And I'm going to be on the hunt for a rug and curtains that complement this space. If you have any ideas or know of anything, let me know. But for now, this is absolutely perfect, and I think that Sawyer is going to love it. I cannot wait to bring Sawyer in here and show her her new room. I think that she's going to love it, and it just suits her personality and her style so well. This was so much fun, and as I find those finishing pieces, then I will definitely keep you guys updated on how the room kind of comes together as she lives in the space and uses the space. But for now, this is just absolutely beautiful. I could not be more excited about it, more happy with how it turned out, and I hope that you all have enjoyed coming along with me and doing something so far outside of my comfort zone. This was such a fun series of videos to film and share with you, and I hope you had just as much fun watching them. So anyway, if you did enjoy this series and today's bedroom makeover, please give this video a thumbs up. That always helps to support my channel so much, and subscribe if you're not already. I'd love to have you join my YouTube family and stay up to date with projects that I have planned over the next couple of months. Thank you so much for choosing to spend your time here with me today. It is always very much appreciated, and hopefully I see you all in the next one.